Buffalo after blizzard that left 31 people dead in the region. Emergency services have been restored, authorities are clearing roads for first responders, and welfare checks are being conducted after a fatal winter storm unleashed a severe snowstorm that swept over Buffalo, New York, with screams for aid going unanswered. In Buffalo, the storm dumped up to 51.9 inches of snow, locking thousands indoors throughout the holiday weekend, many without heat since the storm downed power lines. In addition, it rendered roads inaccessible, leaving some people stranded in the snow in subzero conditions. The Erie County in New York had at least 31 fatalities. Additionally, the sweeping storm has claimed the lives of at least 25 additional people in 11 different U.S. states. We have cases when individuals were stuck in their automobiles and died there. Buffalo Mayor Byron W. Brown remarked, "We have folks who were strolling during blizzard conditions and died dead on the street, passed away in snowbanks. And there are some who were discovered dead in their houses." According to Erie County Executive Mark Poloncarz, who spoke to CNN, there were dead in a makeshift morgue by Monday and many hospitals were filled. The hazardous weather made it difficult for rescue teams and firemen to react to pleas for assistance, further complicating the situation. Numerous cars had to be left on the road after becoming trapped in the snow, including ambulances.